Recording in progress. So, good afternoon, everyone. Hare, good afternoon, everyone. Yes. Write the electronic configuration out. No need to write a question, just the example. Vanadium plus 3. Right. Who will tell me the atomic number of vanadium? Purple girl. What is your name? Shizel. याद होतं ले. याद होतं ना. अरे, very good. What's the atomic number of vanadium? Titanium, cobalt, iron, manganese. What is vanadium there? You made a mistake. Cobalt is not 26, it is 27. Iron is 26. No problem. Good. How many of you are afraid of me? Like, माझी मग कोण भिता? कोण भिना? म्हाका बरें दिसपा तरी हात वयर काड. Thank you, thank you. You should afraid of me, huh? I'm a very dangerous person with respect to chemistry. Shanvi, how are you? Write that too properly. थोडी टीचर दिश्टी पडना केन्ना केन्ना. Okay. How the study is going on? समीक्षा, कशी आसा तूं? कशी चल्ल्या स्टडी? करता? काय रडता न्हिदता फक्त? मम्मी पप्पा शाणपणां सांगता? मम्मीक? Okay. Netravati, how are you? Good. How the study is going on? Which is your favorite subject? Biology? अरे आयजूच चायनीज कलर घातला. Lisa, how are you? How are the studies going on? Regular study करता? Okay, good. Okay. Done, right? Done? That's good. Vanadium 3 plus, huh? So see that you are doing it correctly. I have some examples for you. I will hit you. What you have written? What happened? You revised? You have revised? Have you revised? Tell me correct. Tell me. Eh. No, no, no. I will give you punishment now for sure today. I will give you all punishment because of 2%. I'm telling you all. Samiksha Netravati. No, no, आता change करना का. What is 2 minus 1? Sorry, 3 minus 1. किती इलेक्ट्रॉन काढपाचे आहे म्हाका? 3. खंयच्यान काढले 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन? खंयच्यान काढले 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन? I'm serious about this. Not expected. What's the use of those examples? We put electron like this. We pair the electron first. Who has told this? Cut it and write again. We pair the electron. So switch बसलेला बरो. हे लाईनी किती झालं म्हाका वरना. There is something with this line. समीक्षा किती खाल्ल्यास दनपारां? वडापाव? आणि कोण आसा जाल्यार I will just blast you off, with hydrogen bomb. Not expected this thing, please. पळय स्टुडंट्स तुमकां आतां हांवें सांगलें म्हूण कळ्ळें एग्जामी कोण सांगपाक येवपा ना आनी तुमी चॅकय बी करपा ना सो डोंट हॅव दॅट हॅबीट ऑफ चॅकिंग द पेपर म्हाकाय ना एक फावटी पेपर बरयलो बेजार येता बंद करता दिता वता हांव वी डोंट हॅव दॅट हॅबीट एक मिस्टेक जाली गेली 0 कॅन यू लूज मार्क्स हियर 2 क्लासेस दिल्या हांवें 2 क्लासेस यू हॅव टेकन टुडे इज क्लास नंबर 3 फॉर दीस बी केअरफुल एवरी टाइम सेम मिस्टेक जाता I always say you can make mistake in the class, but not for every example like this. First example. Tell me the reason why we cannot pair. Why that electron we have to put in the next orbital? Be careful next time, huh? This. Okay, no problem. If I'm making a mistake, very good. Mistake Kelly, you will remember it forever now. Double check करतले every time आता. कोण mistake केला आणि कोण कोरोना त्यांना पहिली सांगता हांव. तो काही punishment दिलो केला? हा केला न्ही very good. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 आज एक इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन दिता लेट्स सी 4s2 आणि कोण रॅम गेलो 3d 3 vanadium 3 plus 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s0 3d 3d 2 1 2 3 4 5 1 and 2 okay 4s0 आता कळलं इम्पॉर्टन्स कळटा why I put this 4s0 teachers तुमगे घालपाना teachers will say not to put you all put and teacher विचार if you put is it wrong काय म्हणून wrong केला म्हाका सांगा I will take care of that no one will say this is wrong because you are not putting anything you are just because there is a 4s orbital in vanadium yes or no there is a 4s orbital in vanadium no one will say it is wrong clear sir rest part you will draw okay good question get so I right okay I have given one question in the group have you checked that एक क्वेश्चन घातलेलो ग्रुपान सॉल्व केला ओके write the set of 4 quantum numbers 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 4 quantum numbers for the last electron of chlorine for the last electron of chlorine write the set of 4 quantum numbers for the last electron of chlorine question meaning कळा ना न्ही ओके बी गुड गुड आयज तें सारकें उलयलें ना म्हणपा लागलें डायरेक्ट दिस इज द थिंग यू शूड बी थोड्या कळ्ळें ओके सी क्लोरीन एटॉमिक नंबर सांग समीक्षा 17 रडप ना तापयलें जाल्यार 1s2 2s2 2p6 आनी रडल्यार सुद्दां परत तापयतलो तेंय सांगून दवरता 3s2 3p5 सी ऑल्सो डोंट क्राय okay clear that okay see where the last electron will go in which subshell हे तुमकां खबर आसा न्ही this is shell this is what subshell 3p is what subshell and these three are called as what orbitals याद धरा shell subshell and orbital shell subshell and orbital okay केन्ना subshells चे क्वेश्चन विचारता find a number of subshells in the n is equal to 2 how many subshells n is equal to 2 how many total subshells n is equal to 2 except her you should tell n is equal to 2 how many subshells n is equal to 2 how many subshells how many subshells 2 which one 0 and 1 that is 2s and 2p 2s and 2p how many orbitals n is equal to 2 how many orbitals n is equal to 2 how many orbitals n l m s 2 0 1 1 and how many 3 minus 1 0 plus 1 0 this is 2s this is 2p असे क्वेश्चन येतात but we are go on more details electrons spin so these questions are also asked how many orbitals for this there is a formula which will be given by your teachers also जे हांव मागीर सांगतलो if you are not writing formula no problem directly answer बोलले आता but I will give the formula. 2n square, something, there are formulas are there. Okay, so we'll come back to this. So see, how many electrons are there in the p subshell? 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Clear, sir? Which is my last electron? Which is my last electron? I will just highlight data. This is my last electron. Yes or no? That blue one. Correct, okay. This is the last electron. Yes or no? So त्या last electron तुमको किती बरोबर सांगला? 4 set of quantum numbers. 4 set of quantum numbers. Which are the 4 set? N is equal to, L is equal to, M is equal to, and what? S is equal to. These are 4 sets. Okay. So the difficult part I will do. Now you will tell me the easiest part. What is the L value for that? L value of this electron. Be careful. See, don't listen to others. Tell me your answer. 0. 0. Caesar. You understood this? Good. 1, 0, 0, 0. L value for this. 0, 1, 2. Don't know. Students, which subshell is present? P. And what is the L value for P? See, this is the shell number. This is the subshell, yes or no? And what is the L value for P? Is it changing for everyone? It will remain same, no? It will remain same, yes or no? So this electron is present in the P subshell. So L will be what? 1. When it will be 0? When it is in S subshell. Correct? Understand झाला? Okay, good. M value सांगते का आता? M value किती? -1. We put like this, no? -1, 0 आणि +1. So I will what do? 0. And spin -1. So आम्ही हे suggest करेल can be +1 also. But आम्ही किती म्हणतात? This one is +1, so this one will be -1. This way the questions are asked. This way the questions are asked in the exam. Sometimes this way is the level of questions are asked. Right? Concept importance of concept. Right? Okay, take note of this. You might find it little difficult. Okay. You have which high secondary you told me? Which high secondary? Which high secondary? Pharmacy. Bring your question paper last year and send me. You are there in the group? Send me. Let them solve. Okay. Not okay. What was the doubt? L. किती answer करू ना? Revise केलं. Don't question solve करूया. Then I will go with the topic. Today's topic. Okay. 1-2-3 questions solve करूया. ऐसा है exam का. Loyalas. Sometimes this question is asked in your exams. Loyalas. Damodars. Okay. Presentation कोण नाही ना? Presentation कोण असतं? Anyone from presentation? No. Okay. त्यांचा बी पेपर करून असे tricky questions असतात. Okay. Good. Done. Right, Ata? Okay. So if I say you find a question same, write electronic, sorry, write a set of 4 quantum numbers. Write a 4 set of quantum numbers for the for the fourth electron, for the fourth electron of C subshell, 2p subshell, make it 2p. For the 2p subshell of oxygen atom. Fourth electron of 2p subshell of oxygen atom. So see how many concepts this question is covering. Electronic configuration, atomic number, quantum numbers. Okay. See if you understand. Okay. I will explain to you. We have four set of quantum numbers, n, l, s. The formula to find L is 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1. The formula of minus L to plus L. Okay. And in a single orbital, we'll have two electrons. Okay. So when L is, N cannot be 0. Shell should be there, no? Because in the shell, electrons are present. In the shell, this is shell. This will give you information about subshell. This will give you information about orbitals. Okay. This is principal, this is azimuthal, this is magnetic, this is spin. So when L is 1, it is 0, 0 to n minus 1, 1 minus 1. So 0 to 0, 0. So when it is 0, L is 0, it is called as S subshell. So 0 means minus 0 to plus 0. How many orbitals will be there? 1. So what is the name of this orbital? 1, S. Like this, when n is 2, I will have what? 0 and what? 0 to 2 minus 1. 0 to 1. So 0 and what? 1. 0 means how many orbitals? 1. And this means what? Minus L to plus L. Minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1, 0, plus 0 orbital. So like that, we have 2s and 2p, no? Will I have 2d? I have 2d? No. Doesn't understand well? Like 3. How many will be 0? 1 and what? 2. 2, no? 3 minus 1, 0 to 2. So 0 means how many orbitals? 1. 1 means how many orbitals? 3. 2 means how many orbitals it will be? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the name? 3s, 3p, and 3v. Are you getting some idea now? So what is the value here? Minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, and plus 2. Minus 1, 0, plus 1, 0. Okay, made answer. Actually, it's the I think last electron of oxygen only, no? It is the last electron. Fourth electron. That is the last electron only. Okay. So what is the answer you are getting? Just check. Okay. The difficult part I will tell you. N is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. L is equal to. You will never forget this now. L is equal to 1. M is equal to minus 1 and minus half. Spin it minus half. Right आता? Yes. Easy असा. Okay. मासे difficult करूया. मासे difficult करूया. Last electron of sodium plus. Sorry. What is the p value for what is the L value for p in the quantum numbers? L value for p 1. No, that's the one. Small L, not capital L. You got this? Any question विचारलं म्हाका तुमको जर doubt असेल म्हाका सांग. He's still asking me, sir, what he has not got L, but how we get L? All of you got this. Maybe तेगे question आणि 4 जाणां बी आसपाक शकता. अशें ना की लॉजिक ना म्हाका कळना जाल्यार सांग म्हाका, no problem. Except her. तुमकां कळ्ळें how the L is coming? Yes. You came to know? See. You have written the electronic configuration of this. So P is there, no? This electron is present in the subshell P. So what is the L value for P? What is the L value for P? 1, no? So that's why it's 1. If I want to find this for this, in which subshell is present S? So what will be L value for S? What will be S value for S? It will be 0. 0 means L is 0 means S, no. L is 1 means what? P. L is 2 means what? D. Understood, no? Are you understanding now? Okay. Anyone, any other doubt? Understood? So if I mark this electron, second electron, N value is what? N 1. Correct? L value will be 1. This is S subshell, no? So 0, no? Understanding? M value 0. Have you understood this? Tell me correctly. Huh? You understood? Okay. So write for this now. What I said, right? Last electron of sodium plus, nahi? Difficult as nahi, Ashay? What I am doing with this, the practice for electronic configuration will be also there. Okay, so Netravati kya hai? Answer. Na plus. Benjamin cannot understand. Focus here. If anyone is still not understand. Na plus. Can I write directly Na plus? इतने तर export झाले आम्ही मास्टर. मास्टर तरी झाले नाही. Yes. So is it like this? 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Yes, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. Okay, sir. 6 सारखे बरे. As I tell you, no, write the 6 properly and all. It shouldn't look like a 0. Okay. So last electron. So I will just deal with the last electron. 1, 2, 3. आता meaning कळे? Why not to pair? Pair क्या झालं? I know that will be only the last electron. But if this type of question, if you pair, you can make a mistake, no? Either second electron म्हटलं, and if you are writing like this, or your friends are writing like this, 2p6, they will write like this. क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं होता. हमको ये सवय जाऊन पडता. And when this type of question is asked, for him, this will be the second electron for sure in the exam. But you all know which is the second electron. It has a meaning, no change, नी? Quantum number सगळं change जातं. Understand कळतं किती आता फाटी लागलं तर it is because of this type of questions. We shouldn't get used to the wrong things. At least if we are getting the correct answer also, but we shouldn't get used to the wrong things. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, difficult part I will do. Yes, tell me. Difficult part I have done. N is equal to 2. L. Which is the last electron? This is the last electron, correct? So which subshell is present? P. And what is the L value for P? 1, 1. S 0. It starts from 0. So S 0, P1, D 2. Getting it? Understanding? Okay. So L will be what? 1. M sang. -1, 0, +1. So it will be +1 and spin will be minus half. Same like last electron, I can say last electron of neon, no? This can be also last electron of what? Neon. He is getting the electronic configuration of what? Neon. Understand that question? I not written here 3s0, huh? 3s0 not written, huh? You should write 3s0. Electronic configuration at time. Clear as a topic? Jamta hai? Good. 2 more questions and I will write it. Whatever. Okay. Must difficult कर देना. Second electron of chromium 2+. Second electron of chromium 2+. Full question is same way, huh? Just सगळे बरोबर नाका म्हणून simple way दिला. Second electron of chromium 2+. Understanding? Lisa, understand होता? Cesar, कळटा? ये ना मग याद जाईना. Crystal clear. Is the topic crystal clear? Is the topic crystal clear? आते याद होता है. I will use new sentence for my teaching now. Is the topic crystal clear? कळटा सांगवी? नेत्रावती? Samiksha? Done? Yes, use the. Do it. Diya? Okay. You understanding? Huh? N is that no shell number. If it is in present in 2p, it is 2. If it is present in 3s, it will be 3. N. You asking for N, no? It is looking like M, my dear. This see, it is looking like M. Make it N, no. Your cursive handwriting, I don't know, Mako Boydista, but it is looking like M. Okay, so be careful, huh? See, how the small M muntoleka. Okay, so be careful, huh? Cursive kattivale. किस सांग रहा है सेकेंड इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑफ क्रोमियम 2 प्लस नी डिफिकल्ट असा टेक युअर टाइम ताका सेपरेट करपा दी तू सेपरेट कर डोंट डिस्कस ना तू हांव सेपरेट बसयतलो डोंट डिस्कस लेट हिम डू लेट इट बी रॉंग रॉंग जावपा जाय मातशें तरी मातशें उतर पडपा जाय चार उडा सुरतलो रॉंग केल्यार उडा सुरतलो डोंट हेल्प यू विल गेट यूज टू दिस थिंग्स डिस्कशन ओके सो डोंट हेल्प लेट हिम डू ऑफ हिज ओन अरे I said second electron or second last second electron okay so then it is easy if it is second electron of chromium 2 plus then it is easy ते तो किती इसलिए टाइम लगता I was just wondering of the second last electron of chromium 2 plus second electron is what it is in 1s only no इसलिए टाइम किती लगता अरे म्हाका I thought I give told second last ना टाइम दिलो इतलो you done for second what second last what for what you have done second or second last second no now do for second last also second last electron of chromium 2 plus second last electron of chromium 2 plus second last electron since already you already written know the electronic configuration and all so do it second last electron of chromium 2 plus then it will be little difficult you kept your notebook in the floor at home and someone takes then what you will do and where is your bag and how that notebook remain in the school your friends also go in the coaching classes yes they show their notebook to you then why you show your notebook to them why you are showing that notebook this little selfish they your best friends best something then they should also show you their so they ask your notebook they want to see you ask why you don't think of why ask for their and just tell me if they're showing that there are some secret things in my notebook I always say my notebook is important understood the meaning why notebook is important this cannot be given in the notes is it possible just imagine म्हागे notes कितले व्हडले जातले ते आनी हें बरोवपाक म्हाका जाल्यार पाशेंच ना I'm telling you so next time take care of your notebooks okay okay second last electron of chromium 2 plus so I will write chromium 2 plus first 1s2 2s2 should I explain for the second electron that's a koborata second electron I will just explain for second electron here since I have given the question n is equal to 1 l is equal to 0 m is equal to 0 and spin is equal to minus subject second electron second getting okay so 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s 0 and 3d4 check this will be the electronic configuration of chromium 2 plus आता इतको second last electron खंयचो जालो I think this is the second last electron okay आता हेजीच चार सेट बरोवपाक जाय न्ही आमकां so it will be like this n is equal to 3 L value. L value is D here, no? So D subshell, what is the L value for D subshell? For S it is 0, for P it is 1, for D it is 2, for F it is 3. So L value is what? 2. It will remain constant for every subshell. M value will be 0. M value will be what? 0. And spin will be plus half. Check correct made the not getting what mistake you made? Correct? See, you are shocked? No, good, good. If you're getting it correct, good. Kona mehna zala understand zala ni. This level is also question. This level of question is also asked. Okay, clear? Good. Idhar aisa. Idhar होना था. Let me check again. दो इलेक्ट्रॉन है 4s1 and 3d5. करेक्ट है नहीं? 3d5. स्टार एलिमेंट नहीं तो स्टार एलिमेंट नहीं तो स्टार एलिमेंट नहीं. Be careful हाँ. कौन कौन स्टार एलिमेंट हम गेले? Chromium आणि copper. 4s1 3d5, 4s1 3d 10 for copper. Okay, good. Good, good, good. So next, what the topic, what I think is important for you all, with respect to exam also, my teacher might have done, but I will do it again, is the line spectrum for hydrogen. Line spectrum for hydrogen. Boring of the topic now, but maybe जाऊपा शकता. And for this, your calculations should be little more. You should be more sure with the calculations. Okay. So line spectrum for hydrogen. So after many days, we came out of the quantum numbers. Yes or no? खूप जल्दी आता. Practice this. Okay. See. Pens down. Focus here. एक बारीक सी स्टोरी सांगता. Okay. Gerald is always excited. असं excited मोड असतो तो. Consider पाव भाजी खाल्या पाव भाजी. That बड़ा तवा वाला पाव भाजी. Bhaji pav and pav bhaji are two different things. You know, no? Bhaji pav and pav bhaji are two different things. Bhaji pav is amge Goan, chanya bhaji and pav. And pav bhaji is that red one. Bombay pav. Ruth and Nagre pav, poli pata bolala. Don't say Bombay pav, jani Ruth होता. आज कापला शुवर. किती उडास बोला. Okay. तो तवा घेतलाय तवा. That is my shell. तेजेर आणि जेराला उभं केलं. बसयलो. I made him जातलो आणि तो. जातलो. तसे चार जेराल जातले त्या तळ्याचे. I made only one Gerald. Gerald is my electron. Just some funny way I'm explaining this. Huh? Relate to that electron also. So that Tawa is what? Shell. Tawa is what? Shell. And Gerald is what? Electron. Tall electron. Tall electron. Okay. Imagine. Samiksha Ragailo. Samiksha is angry on Gerald. Both are good friends. काय problem ना आज पाकिज आहे ना in my class वाला equal for me. कोणा काय problem असणार नाही. Samiksha Ragailo. So what Samiksha did? The tawa is kept on what? Gas, no? Any gas petila. Ragailo मी taka. So let it be intentional or not unintentionally. Any gas petila. He झालं गरम झालंय. तवा झालं गरम. What she said? तवा झालं गरम. Okay. Acha, he's sitting. Okay, what happens? See, he's gaining energy, no? He's gaining energy. It is also energy, no? So किती जावं लागतं? Excited. Jump करवा लागतं नी? Yes or no? Yes or no? After that, he has gained that energy. So he's going from one. Now I will come back to topic. He's going from one energy, one what I can say shell, to another shell. Ude marto, where ude marta? Because he has get what? That electron has got what? Energy. So it's going from one lower state to what? Higher energy state. Lower energy state to what? Higher energy state. Lower energy orbital to what? Higher energy orbital. तुमको खबर असा नाही आमगे एनर्जी असे इन्क्रीज जाता न्ही n plus l rule I explain you this इन्क्रीज जाता yes or no इन्क्रीज जाता बट आता जर हे इलेक्ट्रॉन हांगा गेलो एक्साइटेड जालो बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट्स टू बी एनर्जी मेळ्ळा सो आपण उडी मारीत वतलो आफ्टर सम टाइम इज इट पॉसिबल फॉर हिम टू जम्प कंटिन्युअसली ना पण पॉसिबल नाही समीक्षण कितलो बंद केलो फुट ऑफ बट हेच गेन दॅट एनर्जी, हेच दॅट एनर्जी हे सांगता अजून उडी मारीत राहता, तवा गरम जाल्लो जाणी. बट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम ही विल लूज हिज एनर्जी. जी एनर्जी त्याने गेन केल्या बिकॉज ऑफ दॅट हीट, ही विल डू वॉट, ही विल लूज एनर्जी. आणि तो एनर्जी लूज केल्या परत खंय येतलो? ग्राउंड स्टेट. He will come back to his original state. While coming back, he will lose, he will emit what? बॉल मारतो आणि तो ओगी रावतो तेका ओगी रावतलो. तो इंग्लिश समथींग एक्स्ट्रा वर्ड्स भायर काडटलो आपणाले त्या तोंडा आसा तितली, जितली कळटा तितले तेच ओगी रावतलो. सो दोज आर वॉट, ही विल एमिट वॉट, ही विल एमिट वॉट? रेडिएशन. तेगे रेडिएशन वेगळी आसतली. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रेडिएशन कशी आसतली? इट विल बी इन सम रिजन, इट विल बी सम इलेक्ट्रोमॅग्नेटिक region which is what? UV, or which is what? visible. UV म्हणजे खबर आसा न्ही, ultraviolet, which will be in what? Those radiations will be in what region? UV region. Those radiations will be in which region? Visible region. Those radiations will be in which region? IR region. IR full form खबर आसा? IR full form infrared. This is called the line spectrum for radiation. So whenever a electron in, if a shell is present, n is equal to 1, okay, just 1 minute. When n is equal to 1, see here, there are some space, this type of series will get lot of series. For example, n is equal to 1, I have here n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. You have seen what I have done? The energy gap between 1 and 2 is small, large. 2 and 3 is what? Small. 3 and 4 is more small. 4 and 5 is what? More small. 5 and 6 what? More small. जसे आमगे shell increase जातात, तसे the distance between the two shells किती जाता? Decrease जाता. त्याका लागून तो 3s आपला from that 4s it is going to 3d, you know, in chromium. It is not excited, huh? Don't say that it is excited. But he has gained some energy. So electrons that jump केला पळय from 4s to 3d, he has jumped that, he has gained some energy. And तो जेन्ना 3d गेलो, he remained there. He remained there. Why? Because that chromium got what? Why he remained at 3D? परत परेशान into. He remained in that 3D. Why? Because chromium, that configuration is becoming what? D5, which is what? Half phase. Stable जाता न्ही तो? Stable जाता. So तो म्हणतो okay, I'm ready. Same thing with the copper. Same thing with the what? Copper. So what happens here, students? When an electron comes from 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, 6 to 1, and so on, the name of this series is Lyman series. The name of this series is what? Lyman series. In the Lyman series, the N1 value तुमको याद उरपा जाए, N1 value याद उरपा जाए. N1 will be always 1. Any from higher shell, the electron is coming to 1. From any higher shell, the electron is coming to 1. Which series will get? Lyman. Lyman is the name of the scientist. Tennis शोधून काढली ती. Lyman is the name of the what? Scientist. Lyman series. And what will be N1 value for Lyman? 1. What will be N2 value for Lyman? Only 2? It can be 2, 3, 4, and what? So on. Anyway, if it is coming from 10 to 1, it is which series? Lyman series. Clear, sir? And this series, when the electron comes from the higher 2 to 1, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, it emits, it will emit radiation. And these radiations are in Balmer series. What is the name of the series? Balmer series. Can you tell me the N1 value for Balmer series? 1 or 2? 1 or 2? N1 value. It will be 2. Where that electron comes, where it stops. Oh, I thought the electron 1 पावलो, the series is जातली. Lyman जातली. Since it is stopping at 2, so maybe it is from the second shell, no? Okay, second shell तो electron jump करून fourth shell गेला, तो परत first shell वतलो. Is it possible to go in the first shell? Because first shell already electron also ani. If an electron from the second shell going to the third shell, energy lose करतो. परत second shell येतलो, it will emit radiation. But will it go in the first shell? No, possible na. Because it is the electron from which shell? Second shell. First shell already full असतले. Without first shell, can we put the electron in the second shell? N plus L value. Tells us Hubble principle. भाऊ. Understanding the कळटा मातशें relate जाता आतां? Relate जाता? The meaning of the things. Okay, so like that N1, what it can be N2 sang? 3, 4 and so on. And the radiations which are emitted by this electrons is in the visible region. Visible region means the colors, the radiations which we can see with your violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. With your. So like this, if it comes to 3, 4 to 3, 5 to 3, 6 to 3, that series is called Lyman Balmer and Paschen. What it is called as? Paschen series. Here N1 value will be what? 3, N2 value will be what? 4, 5 and so on. If it is coming from 5 to 4, 6 to 4, it is called as Lyman Balmer Paschen. It is called as bracket. It is called as what? Bracket. And the last one, if it comes to 5, Lyman Balmer Paschen bracket and P fund. It is called as what? P fund 6. आता N1 value को बरसा P fund N1 value some P fund 5 and N2 value some 6 and so on. आता एक याद धरा for Paschen bracket and P fund, it is in the higher region. It is in what? Higher region. Question विचारता था क्या? This question is asked. Which region it falls? So what they will give? They will just give like this. N1 is equal to 4 and N2 is equal to 2. N2 is equal to 4 and N1 is equal to 2. They will ask you which series it falls and which electromagnetic region it falls. Can you tell me the answer? Crystal, tell me which series here. N2 is equal to 4, N1 is equal to 2. Letter answer, please. Paschen, no? Very good. Paschen, very good. Yes, Srizal? Which series? Balmer. I got two different answers here. Which series? This one. N2 is equal to 4, N1 is equal to 2. Which series? Paschen, no? I have one more answer for Paschen. What I have done, I have made just one trick here. N1 पहिली बरयतालो न्ही. I have written N2 first. म्हाका सांग, are the electrons going from 2 to 4 or are the electrons coming from 4 to 2, higher to lower? So where the electron will come? 4 to 2, no? So what is my end point? So what will be the series? Balmer, kaita. Just to confuse you all, the electron makes transition from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 1. And they will ask you the series and region. Okay, region Balmer visible. Balmer visible. Okay, what question is electron makes transition from n is equal to 5 to n is equal to 1. Name the series. Lyman, n is equal to 1, correct? After Lyman. So what is the value? Lyman series बरोबरच्या impression मारपाक. What N1 value is this? N2 value is this. कळटा न्ही ती सांगता? Understand जाता? Meaning कळटा न्ही? Don't get confused. Every time N1, N2 value will be not given. They will just give a word. Electron makes transition. Transition मतलब move जाता. And in this line spectrum, electron always come from higher energy to what? Lower energy. Because already electron किती करता है? Energy घेऊन गेला न्ही? Energy घेऊन गेला. तर तो परत lose करून येता. It always comes after losing. And to lose कसं करता? In the form of what? Radiations. Which falls in which region? For Lyman, it falls in which region? UV. For Balmer, it falls in which region? Visible. And for other three, Paschen, bracket and P fund, it falls in which region? I region. It's just कळ्या pro. मागे हेजेर आमके एक numerical आसा that I will tell you how to solve. Clear आसा? अंडरस्टँड जाता? येस, व्हॉट इज आन्सर हियर? सिरीज लायमन. आणि रिजन कितें आसतलें? रिजन कितें? यू व्ही. अशें क्वेश्चन येतात. Line spectrum for hydrogen. If it is done useful, question expected असायचे. किती डाऊट असायचे? कळटा? Can you write this? It might be there in the notes also. I don't know. याद जायना. आसपास आहे notes but notes तुम्ही वाचपा आसपा नाही. So better write. Shortcut चांगला. Whatever is required, I told. Understood? Huh? Can I ask you one question? Can you answer? Answer this. The electron makes transition from n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 3. Tell me which series? Question. Correct असलं पण n is equal to 6 to n is equal to 3. Question, no? Question. And what is the n1 value? N1 value here for this part. N1 value. N1 3 and N2 is 6. Which region it falls? Higher region. Simple question. 1 marks, 2 marks. Okay, take note of this. Must begin करूया. एक numerical part कधी आहे? आज must begin सोडतो तुमका. सध्या 6:30 दवरतो न्ही. आज 6:50 actual time. Notes असा गो टीचर दिले. दिपल्या. वाचतो मग ते काय बुकां घालून दवरता. पॅटी काडटले. टायम मेळना न्ही गो वाचपाक. तर सकाळी 3:30 भायर सरता, 3:30 घरा कडेन पावता. कशें वाचूं? टीचर has given these things, ना ती. Already given, but तुमकां जाय जाल्यार मागीर तुमी वाचता ते. तुमी वाचपाक पाशेंच ना. No problem. Schrodinger equation दी mostly asked for you all. Orbital Duna, Rachel, orbitals, Duna. Okay, no problem. Yeah, thank you. Try to write in short, that's it. Understood? Just revise at home, please. Revision is required. Understand, Yodha? Understanding, Siddhar? So you understood your mistake? You said Pachano for that answer. No more. Sorry. Is the concept crystal clear? Okay. हें बरोवचें पळय 10 फावटी चिंततलें आतां. चिंतचें पडटा तुका हांव वाचल्यार. Okay. Going good. Your speed is good for writing. तुझ्याकय स्लो खूप असतात. This is for sure. You all have a really good speed, Most of you all have got good speed. I'm happy to see that. मागे आमकां चड जाय पडटलें. UPSC naming and all, every year I solve more than 150 examples. I will come in 2 minutes, SB. तेजी झेरॉक्स मारा. एकच सेट करून. म्हाका मगो फाल्यां जाय पडटलो. फुल एकच सेट असो. ते 2 सेपरेट आसा गो, अशें एक करून ना. हो थर्ड चॅप्टर गो. सगळ्यां दो 11 दोन्ही कडेन. फाल्यां हाड. बरें. Have you written the examples? Here माझे numericals येतात not only our school but थोडी स्कूल आहेत I will just give a brief idea what are numericals. आता एक परत एक सांगता तुमका numericals भितर what I do in numericals what I do I give you the formula I explain you the formula I explain you the substitution. Solving is in your hand. I cannot solve each and every numerical. Is it possible? Because numbers will change. All of you know how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Only that is required. Okay, so don't expect me to solve the whole numerical for every time. I actually करीत ना. Formula, substitution. If there are some tricks, I will tell you. Tricks I will tell you to solve. Some tricks I will tell you for sure. But I will not solve the whole numerical. That you have to solve. I will at the last I will tell you the unit. At the last I will tell you what? Unit. Okay, that you have to because numbers will change for the numericals every time. Because this numerical is also big, very big. This numerical is also the very big. See, Rydberg's equation. The it is given by a formula. What is nu bar, students? I hope you know this. Have you seen him? Nu bar. Baradistani. So clear किस तरह से given both nu bar, bar. What is called as wave number? What is the definition of wave number? Yes, number of. Hey, किती ना? Number of waves created on time किती करून डालते ना बघा. Per unit length. You know the formula for nu bar? It is the reciprocal of wavelength. It is the reciprocal of wavelength. Lambda. Yes. Okay, good. The formula is this: 109677. This is Rydberg constant upon formula 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square z square. This formula is applicable to hydrogen type atoms or elements or ions. आता hydrogen type म्हटलं की कोण घ्या. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. So how many electrons? 1. What is the Z value here? Z means what? Atomic number. So what is the atomic number of hydrogen? 1. He plus, helium plus. What is the atomic number of helium? 2. Helium plus means what? How many electrons? 1. But what is value of Z? 2. Kaita? So are they hydrogen type of atom? Hydrogen contains 1 electron. Helium plus also contains what? 1 electron. Like this, I have here lithium 2 plus. Atomic number of lithium is what? 3. 2 plus means how many electrons in lithium? 1. Z is what? 3. So such type of ions are given. So how to do this? For example, take example. Electron shows transition. Electron shows transition from n is equal to 2 to n is equal to 1. Calculate. Can you understand this? Calculate. Okay. Wavelength and frequency. Nu is what? Frequency. Calculate wavelength and what? Frequency. Some schools this is done. Some school, not in every school, I think so. Rosary भी nice मके. Rydberg's equation. निश्चित पढ़ पाना भाई. I think so. Sorry, school like Laila, Damodas, yeah, after. No, not yet done, but it will be done for sure. Rosary mostly असना. But मातशें focus करूया. आता आमकां example जेन्ना खंयचे न्यूमेरिकल दिले हांव म्हाजी मेथड दिता तुमकां जाय जाल्यार फॉलो करपाची और यू कॅनॉट फॉलो तुमचे डिपेंड बट जी मेथड सांगता ती कित्याक तरी बऱ्या लागून आसतली ऑलवेज मेक अ हॅबिट ऑफ रायटिंग वॉट इज गिवन सदांच कितें गिवन आसता पयलीं बरोवन काडपाचें इट डजंट हॅव मार्क्स इज फॉर फॉर्मुला सबस्टिट्यूशन एंड सॉल्विंग एंड आन्सर एंड युनिट बट गिवन बरयलें आनी खुबशें काम इजी जाता आतां फॉर्मुला वी नो इफ यू रायट अ फॉर्मुला so what is required for what is told to calculate wavelength and what frequency so wavelength I will get from this formula 1 upon lambda nu bar is equal to what 1 upon lambda 109,677. So I will change my formula to wavelength. Yes or no? I will change my formula to wavelength. Change केलं. मागे त्याक वयर हाडया रे, मागीर हाडया. Clear? Now given what is required in my formula N1. What is my N1? Can I तो भितर आणि एक करता. Also name the series. I am giving this in short. Question मातशे बरे sentence frame करून दितले. हे आमगेले कितें कळ्या पुरते तुमकां क्वेश्चन कसो येवपाक शकता. So don't expect me to give that whole thing. तुमकां करपा पाहिजे. क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टँड जालो न्ही ते मीन क्वेश्चन म्हणजे बरे भशेन फ्रेम करून दिता टिचर्स. आमी मातशें नॉर्मल करूया. ओके सो तुमकां तितूंकूय ऍड करतले. ऑल्सो नेम द series and region. So series and region you all know what is the series here. So बरोया series सांग. N is equal to 1. Lyman. Very good. Lyman. आणि Lyman series impression मारपाक series word बरोवपाचें. टिचरी बरें दिसतलें अरे द नेम ऑफ द सिरीज इज लायमन सिरीज अशें बरोवपाचें. बरें जाल्यार मार्क्स पडपाना अशें ना. इम्प्रेस. आनी मागीर सेकंड आन्सर कितें बरें जालें द नेम ऑफ द रिजन इज द नेम ऑफ द रिजन इज UV रिजन कळटा जालें. इजी पार्ट जालो. डिफिकल्ट पार्ट करूया. सो N1 व्हॅल्यू सांग म्हाका. N1 व्हॅल्यू सांग म्हाका 1. N2 व्हॅल्यू सांग 2. ओके Z सांग. आता Z दिवना न्ही हांगा. विच एटम मेन्शन ना. सो आमी कोणाक बरयतले हायड्रोजन कन्सिडर करपाचें. If it is not given, we have to consider what? Hydrogen. If it is mentioned, electron source transition, an electron, अशी क्वेश्चन येवपाक electron from helium atom, अशी येवपाक शकता. Helium plus atom or helium atom. That can be anything. Helium atom or helium plus atom, like this, anything can be asked. So what will be the value of Z? The electron from helium atom shows transition from 2 to 1. Then Z value will be what? 2. कळटा न्ही सांगता कितें कळटा अंडरस्टँड जाता. ओके सो लेट्स सबस्टिट्यूट 1 upon लॅम्बडा. लॅम्बडा आमकां काडपाक जाय 109,677. इट्स अ कॉन्स्टंट व्हॅल्यू. Rydberg constant. N1 is what? N1 1. So 1 square minus N2 कितें 2 square आणि Z कितें 2 square. फॉर्म्युला सबस्टिट्यूशन हाफ नाल्यार 1 मार्क्स आसता. आता हे सॉल्व करपाचें. डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू. हांव डायरेक्ट सांगता. खूप टाइम लागतलो हेका सॉल्व करपाक गेल्यार. इज इट इजी? ना. एवरीथिंग मल्टिप्लिकेशन सबट्रॅक्शन डिव्हिजन क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन यू शुड नो दिस थिंग्स. हांव डायरेक्ट सांगता. हेजेर तुमी म्हाका वायट म्हटल्यार कोता येता. बट डोंट एक्सपेक्ट मी टू सॉल्व न्युमेरिकल्स दिस टायप. जाय जाल्यार केन्नाय खंयची न्युमेरिकल सामकी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा दॅट हॅव दिस वन. ओके ऑर आय विल टेल यू टू सॉल्व एट होम. आता हेजो आन्सर म्हाकाय खबर ना. हांवें डायरेक्टली ऑन द स्पॉट हांव क्रिएट केला न्युमेरिकल. तेंय सांगता. I don't bring the numericals. I create. जी सामकीच जाय ती हांव बरोवन हाडटा. मेरा है पिटारा है मेरा. जब जो खुलेगा ना तेन्ना कळटलें. स्पेशली तो ओपन जाता हायड्रोकार्बन आनी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री चॅप्टर आमकां भल्ला पिटारा. दिस इज समथिंग. आनी आसा मातशें ताका 4-5 बूक आसात. अशे टायमार तो ओपन जायना. अशे टायमार आय क्रिएट. यू कॅन ऑल्सो क्रिएट. कितें करपाचें 2 आणि 1 आसता कितें करपाचें तुमकां जाय तो 6 and what 4 तुमकां जाय तो घेवपाचो सॉल्व करीत रावा. Helium plus असते lithium 2 plus घे. What will be value of Z? करीत रावा सॉल्व. अंडरस्टँड जाता न्ही. सो इट इज नॉट वर्थ. इतले सॉल्व करून आमी 10 मिनटं उडयतली. इट विल टेक अराउंड 5 minutes. सो हांव कितें सजेशन दिता when the numbers are big and it is becoming difficult to solve. फॉर्म्युला घेवपाचो सबस्टिट्यूशन करपाचें. लीव स्पेस फुल सप्लिमेंट सोड. गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. यू कॅनॉट waste 5 minutes for 1 mark. 20 marks exam सांगता हांव. Can you waste 5 minutes here for 1 mark? आणि बाय चान्स कितें चुकलें आन्सर करेक्ट मेळटलो ना. आणि आन्सर रॉंग आसा आनी युनिट करेक्ट आसा कांयच यूज ना. डायरेक्टली यू विल गेट ओनली मार्क्स फॉर दिस. सो वॉट इज वर्थ सॉल्विंग दिस एट द लास्ट. बिग नंबर न्युमेरिकल्स फॉर्म्युला सबस्टिट्यूशन सॉल्विंग एट द लास्ट म्हणजे केन्ना पेपर कंप्लीट जातली. दिस इज माय सजेशन. तूं म्हणटलें सर कितें रे तूं न्युमेरिकल स्कीप कर म्हणटा. आय एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू स्कीप फॉर दॅट टाइम. सेव युअर टाइम. आता म्हाका एक सांग क्वांटम नंबर्स बी आसा पळय ते लास्टा येता क्वेश्चन 20 मार्क्साक 3 मार्क्सा बी आसा पळय थंय येता. आनी इफ यू वेस्ट हियर आनी तुमकां जर क्वांटम नंबराक टाइम मेळूना यू विल रिग्रेट ऑर नॉट. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन बरोवपाक टाइम मेळना यू विल रिग्रेट ऑर नॉट. तूं म्हणटलें थंय आमकां 3 मार्क्स पडटले आमकां कितें गेले मार्क्स रॉंग जाले जाल्यार गेले न्ही. कळ्ळा न्ही. सो डू दीस थिंग्स. न्युमेरिकल आसा Write formula substitution काही ना difficult असा. Leave space, go for the part, do the things which you know, check the things which you know जे correct करते, double check करवाचे, then come back to this part. Clear असा? Okay. So solve this part at home. So आता किती करताला? You will get 1 by lambda is equal to something x value. So lambda will be also something एक direct बरता. Lambda will be equal to you get some value. So lambda will get x something x. As a unit जाऊन आता centimeter inverse already given. किती असता centimeter inverse. So centimeter inverse म्हटलं किती 1 upon centimeter. So lambda जाता रे तो किती जातलो centimeter. Okay. After this, convert this centimeter into meter and this convert into Armstrong. How to convert centimeter into meter? 10 to the power 10 to the power minus now phobia ma kai asa I also in the between I also tend to forget minus 2 ni yes but meter to Armstrong 10 to the power minus 10 or 9 9 or 10 sure I think 9 it is 110% so 10 so meter into so Armstrong आता राव न्यूमेरिकल हांगा सोंपो ना किती कॅल्क्युलेट करपा लागला वेवलेंथ केलो हो पळय फ्रिक्वेन्सी उरला सो द फॉर्म्युला फॉर फ्रिक्वेन्सी इज न्यू इज इक्वल टू कळ्ळें न्ही मातशें बोरींग जातलें म्हण सांगलें पळय मातशें बोरींग जाता न्यू इज इक्वल टू वॉट सी लॅम्बडा आतां हांगा मातशें पळोवन घ्या न्यू इज इक्वल टू सी म्हटल्यार कितें सी स्पीड ऑफ लायट काय वेलोसिटी ऑफ लायट मिनिंग सेम दोगांचे वॉट इज दॅट वॅल्यू कॉन्स्टंट वॅल्यू 3 into 10 to the power of 8 very good appreciated everyone don't know these values खरें सांगता आतां सुद्दां 12th भुरग्यांक विचारलें न्ही थोड्यांक वचोन they don't know this value हांव डायरेक्ट सांगता so appreciated and lambda is your x which you calculate you will get frequency okay frequency this you will write in hertz because this is in Armstrong you will write in hertz so Armstrong कित्याक convert करता because if this is in Armstrong only that time we will write this value in hertz नाल्यार आमकां हर्ट्जां बरोवपा मेळना SI unit CGS unit you know no because of that reason okay so this will be in hertz the question can be of 2 marks or 3 marks okay clear okay so take note of this I will stop for today thank you everyone see you in the next class